It's February 2004, a street corner in Manhattan. A woman jabs a metal button 3 times. She thinks she made the light change. This is the story of a button that does nothing. New York installed these buttons in the 1970s, when each intersection ran its own separate signal. Push it, and the light shifted in your favor. By the late 1980s, the city wired its intersections together. Computers began timing whole corridors at once, block by block. The buttons stopped doing anything. Removing them all would have cost over $1 million, so it just left them there, silent, unwired, waiting for someone to push. Today, fewer than 1 in 10 of New York's crosswalk buttons are still connected to anything. The rest are exactly what they look like, metal bolted to a pole. Millions of people press them anyway, every day. So how many have you pushed that were never real?